Nothing officially announced its mid-range duo, the Nothing Phone 3A and Phone 3A Pro. The two phones are based on the same platform, but the Pro version adds a couple of extra features, better cameras, and a different design. Nothing Phone 3A come in black, blue and white color. The Nothing Phone 3A will start at 24,999 rupees. The Pro variant is said to start at 29,999 Indian rupees. The Phone 3A features a triple camera setup in a horizontal manner with the LED flash placed above the horizontal bar. On the other hand, the 3A Pro version has an LED flash and 3 rear-facing cameras. A 50-megapixel main camera, 50-megapixel periscope camera will offer 3x optical zoom, 6x lossless zoom, and up to 60x ultra zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter with a Sony sensor. Nothing Phone 3A feature a 6.7-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The Nothing Phone 3A series will have the new Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 chipset and run Nothing OS 3.0. Is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, support 50W fast wired charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.